students of 10th class. I am Sir Raza, and we are solving the exercise 6.2, question number 9. The question states that the following frequency distribution shows the weight of voice in kilogram. Commute, compute mean, median, and mod. Mean, median और mod find करना है. तो सबसे पहले class interval is given. Class interval is This is given 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, 13 to 15, 16 to 18 and 19 to 21. यहाँ पर जो साइज है h वो 4 माइनस 1 h की वैल्यू यानी 4 माइनस 1 3 है. फ्रीक्वेंसी जो हमें गिवन है वो 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 2 and 1. When we sum all these frequencies, then we get sigma f and it is 23. Frequencies का sum जो है वो 23 है. Midpoint, we will find the midpoint x. How we find the midpoint x? We will add 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is 4 and divide it by 2. When we divide 4 by 2, it is 2. Now, for the second midpoint, add 4 and 6. It is 10 and divide it by 2. So when we divide 10 by 2, we get 5. Similarly, when we carry on the adding 7 and 9, and the midpoint of 7 and 9 is 8, and 11, 14, 17 and 20. These are the midpoints. Midpoint is represented by letter x. Now we multiply frequency with x in the next column. F multiply x. So 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15, 5 8s are 40, 4 11s are 44, 6 14s are 84, 2 17s are 34, and 1 20s are 20. Now we find the class boundaries. How we find the class boundaries? We find the class boundaries from class interval. 1 is the lower limit, so we subtract 0.5 from 1 and we get 0.5. And we add 0.5 in 3 and we will get 3.5. In the same way, we can find the class boundaries of 4. 4 is class boundaries 3.5 and 6, it is 6.5. And similarly, for all the other class interval, we find the class boundaries. Now we find the cumulative frequency. How we find the cumulative frequency? We will write first frequency 2 as it is, 2. Now we add this 2 in the next frequency 3. So 2 plus 3, it is 5. Then we will add this 5 in the next frequency 5, that is 5 plus 5, it is 10. Then we add this 10 in 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. In the same way, we add all the frequencies. And all these frequencies at the end comes to be 23. तमाम frequencies 23 बन जाती, cumulative frequency. This is the same number as sigma f, which is also 23. Now we add all the fx values and we will get sigma fx, which is 241. The formula for mean is x bar is equals to sum of fx over sum of f. Sum of fx is 241 and sum of f is 23. When we divide 241 by 23, we get 10.478. This is the value of mean. Now to find the median, this is the next part of the question. To find the median, first we find the median class. So what is the formula for median class? It is n by 2. Now what is n? Now this n is the last cumulative frequency, which is 23. It is n. So n divided by 2 means 23 divided by 2. So it is 11.5. Now we check where this 11.5 value present in cumulative frequency. कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में 11.5 कहाँ पर मौजूद है? इधर 2 है, then 5, 10, but here we have 14. 14 जो है इसमें this value can be present 11.5. 10 is smaller, so 11.5 cannot be present in 10, but in 14 11.5 can be present. ठीक, अब जो 11.5 इस 14 में प्रेजेंट है तो इसके ऊपर वाली जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी ना उसको हम कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कहेंगे, सी, उसको हम सी से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो 10 इज सी, दैट इज कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. कम्युलेटिव क्लास भी कौन सी होगी? जो ये क्लास बाउंड्री हमने फाइंड की है 14 की, 14 की क्लास बाउंड्री इज 9.5 to 12.5. so median class is 9.5 to 12.5. now here we find L. L is the lower class limit. Lower class limit in the class boundary. What is the lower class limit in the class boundary? It is 9.5. Cumulative frequency is the number 10. Frequency is 4. It is the same frequency which is present in this cumulative median class, which is 4. So we write 4. And H. H is the difference between 13 and 10. 13 minus 10, it is H, which is 3. Now we use the formula for median. Median is equals to L plus H by F into N by 2 minus C. Now put the value in this formula, which is 9.5 plus 3 by 4 multiply 11.5 minus 10. And after solving this, we will get the answer 10.625, which is median. Now we want to find the mod. The formula for mod is L plus Fm. Fm means maximum frequency minus F1. F1 is the frequency which is before Fm over 2 Fm minus F1 minus F2. This F2 is the frequency which is present below Fm frequency. Multiply H. Now L is equals to, now what is model class here? Fm is the maximum frequency. Now check the frequency table, which frequency is maximum? 6. 6 is the maximum frequency, which is present in the model class of 12.5 to 15.5. So here L is 12.5. Fm is the maximum frequency, which is 6. F1 is the frequency present above Fm, which is 4. So F1 is 4. And F2 is the frequency present below 6. So F2 is 2. Now putting the value of H, which is 3, in the formula, and we will get 12.5 plus 6 minus 4 over 2 into 6 minus 4 minus 2 multiply 3. And after solving all this, we will get the mod is 13.5, which is the answer.